Hi, let's solve for x and y. I want us to take note that our x and y are natural numbers, okay? All right, now let's get straight to the point. Now, when you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b, okay? Now, in this case, our a is x, while our b is equal to y. So that means that x squared minus y squared can be expressed as x minus y multiplied by x plus y. Therefore, the equation says x squared minus y squared is equal to 20. That simply means that we can express this left hand side of the equation as x minus y multiplied by x plus y is equal to 20. Then we go ahead and do this. Since we are told that x and y are natural numbers, once they are natural numbers, then it simply means that x minus y is less than x plus y. Okay, so that is number one thing that we should all take note of. Now we can express 20 in so many ways. 20 is equal to 1 multiplied by 20, 20 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 2, then 4 multiplied by 5, and 5 multiplied by 4. So these are the possible ways we can express 20, right? All right, now since we say that x minus y must be less than x plus y, so if we say x minus y multiplied by x plus y, that means the first number should be less than the second number, right? Therefore, this is not going to be used, this is not going to be used, and this is not going to be used. Yes, because here the first number is bigger, which is not supposed to be. Here the first number is bigger, it's not supposed to be like that. And also here the first number is bigger, it's not supposed to be like that. Therefore, we can now go ahead and solve. So we have, for the first value of x and y, that is, sorry, for 20 equals 1 multiplied by 20, we can now say that x minus y is equal to 1, and that x plus y is equal to 20, right? Yes, because we can just say that x minus y multiplied by x plus y is equal to 1 multiplied by 20. So if we now look at it very well, you can see that you can compare. By comparison, x minus y is 1 and x plus y is 20. Okay, now let's solve. If we should add both equations together, x plus x will give us 2x. All right, now minus y plus y will give us 0, is equal to 1 plus 20 is 21. Now to get the value of x, we divide this by 2 and this by 2, and we have that x is equal to 21 over 2, and this is what, not a real number. Okay, here x is not natural, sorry, and therefore we're not going to use this. Now let's check the corresponding value of y. Okay, now if x is equal to 21 over 2, let's substitute 21 over 2 in any of these equations. So if we substitute it in the first equation, we can say that 21 over 2 minus y is equal to 1, right? So we can write that 21 over 2 then is equal to 1 plus y. So we can say 21 over 2, this plus y will cross to become minus 1 is equal to y. All right. Now, if we solve this, we can see that we can write this as 21 over 2 minus 2 over 2 is equal to y. So we have 21 minus 2 will give us 19 over 2 is equal to y. And here also, this is not what, natural number. It's not a natural number, so we also reject this. So for the first value, that x and y, that 20 is equal to 1 times 20, that is for this. Our x and y are not natural numbers, so they are rejected. Now let's check the second. The second value for 20 equals 2 multiplied by 10. Let's check for this. Now we are going to have that x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, now let's solve. If we add, x plus x will give us 2x minus y plus y is 0, is equal to 2 plus 10 is what? 12. Now we can divide to get the value of x. So 2x divided by 2 and 12 divided by 2. Now this will cancel this and we can see that x is equal to 6 and 6 is a natural number. All right, now since our x is equal to 6, let's substitute x equals 6 into any of this equation to prove that it is correct. Okay, sorry, to get the value of y. So if we substitute it in the first equation, we can see that 6 minus y is equal to 2. So 6 is equal to 2 plus y. Then if we transfer this, we have 6 minus 2 is equal to y and 4 is equal to y. So this is also a natural number. So this is also accepted. Now let's check the third one. For 20 equals, the third one is 20 is equal to 4 times 5, right? So for 20 equals 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so we can see that x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 5. Please, I would like you to watch the end. Yes, because I'm going to prove that the answer we got is right, and you know what, that is the most interesting aspect of this video, so please don't miss it for anything. Okay, all right, now we can add the first and the second equation. X plus x will give us 2x and minus y plus y is 0 and 4 plus this is 9. Okay, now to get the value of x, if we divide by 2 and divide by 2, we have that x is going to give us a fraction. So that means that this is also rejected. It is not a real number, a natural number. Sorry. Okay, now if our x is 9 over 2, let's substitute it into any of this equation to see if our y is going to be a natural number. Now let's go. So we have x, which is 9 over 2, minus y is equal to 4. So 9 over 2 is equal to 4 plus y. All right. So we have 9 over 2 minus 4 over 1 is equal to y. So we can rewrite this as 9 over 2 minus 8 over 2, right, is equal to y. Now when you look at this, you see 9 minus 8 will give us what? 1, and this is over 2 is equal to y. So you can still see that this is not a natural number, so this is also rejected. Therefore, the only value of x and y that is valid is that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Now it's time to check. Okay, let's check. So if we check, the question says that x squared minus y squared is equal to 20. Now recall that our x is what? 6 and our y is 4. So this is what we have, 6 comma 4. So we have 6 squared minus 4 squared is equal to 20. Okay, now 6 squared is 36 minus 4 squared is 16 is equal to 20. Now 36 minus 16 is 20 and 20 is equal to 20. So this is actually correct. Please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, and please give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us if you actually enjoyed the video, which I'm sure you did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.